Easy to read, clear Flexit measuring cup set with 3 sizes with easy-to-read measurements in both US and metric measurements, includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups. Design: the body is firmly flexible and has an outside which is textured for a secure grip and the inside is smooth for easy pouring. Indicators: the measurement level indicators are clear and easy to read, pours liquids precisely with no spills. Translucent body: the translucent body is textured for a secure grip with 2 clear measurement windows. Flexible material can be shaped to form spout for pourability. Few pieces of kitchen gear get as much use as measuring cups. The Flexit measuring cups make accurate measuring of any ingredient to snap. Easy to read numbers on translucent silicone in US and metric measurements. Flexible enough to squeeze to pour the liquid to avoid spills. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Great mixing cups for a hand mixer with a 3-inch head size. The Breville hand mixer has a mixing head that's 3 wide at the bottom, which is too wide for most other cups and jars I've tried to use it with. When I ordered these, I thought the largest, 4-cup, size would probably fit the mixer. When these arrived, I was delighted that the medium, 2-cup, and the large sizes both fit the mixing head. All 3 cups have been very useful for me, and I've been using them a lot. They're very convenient in that they stack inside each other when not in use, and I like being able to squeeze the sides down, so that I can immediately drink the fruit smoothies I've just mixed without spilling all over. I also like that they're silicone, so I can mix in a bit of boiling water without worrying about the cups melting, or releasing toxic chemicals into my food.